Time to head inside, Laboo-boos. Aww. Oh no! What's happening? The house is collapsing! Oh, this is a disaster! We need new houses. There. So, what do you think?
I'm not sure. Same here. Can you make it prettier?
Not me. Servant!
Yes, miss?
This house is trash. Give it some glam.
Right away. Let's use a gold bar. I'll shave off the layers and coat the house. Like this.
Hey! So much dust! Achoo! This is terrible! Ew, nasty.
The golden house is ready.
Nice, but it still needs more sparkle.
You're right. This should help.
Oh my!
Do you like gems?
Oh yeah! I'll help with that. Gorgeous! Let's stick this right here. We should add more gems in different colors. Like this. Now that's what I'm talking about.
Happy to help.
How do you like it?
That's the shiniest roof ever!
Oh, I've got an idea. Let's cover the roof with these napkins. Like this. Do you like it?
Whoa, the roof looks like a cloud. Awesome!
Great. Huh? What are you doing?
I'm an artist, actually. Like my drawings?
Not bad. I think I know how to use them. Let's glue them onto the walls. Like this. Cool, right? Check it out up close.
Wow!
Ow, my tummy! Servant!
At your service.
I'm hungry.
Here you go. Enjoy.
I'll start with the cotton candy. Wait, I know! This'll be perfect for the house decor. Nice! Now time for dessert! Wow, share with me! Oh, so greedy! Sorry! Oh no, my carpet! Servant, hurry!
Yes?
Wash it. Ouch! Hey!
My apologies. I'll handle it. This may take a while.
Ugh, I don't need this anymore. Hey, stop tossing stuff! Oh, this could help. Let's draw some neat lines like this. Now split them like this. And add little dots. Almost done. Look at the parquet floor I made. Not bad. Where's my carpet?
It seems ready. Oops. I probably should have turned off hot mode. Miss, there's been an accident with your carpet.
What?
Bye!
Get back here! Wait, this is even better. Let's place it here, and done. I'm so creative.
The carpet matches the cloud walls perfectly!
Is it cozy?
Oh yeah, feels like I live in a museum.
Very good. Huh?
Ouch!
Poor thing! I'll fix it. Oh. Psst. Can you pass me that? My purse? No, it costs a fortune! No, the trash can over there! Hand it to me. If you want it. Ew, gross. Thanks. Let's see. Oh, wow. Where did this come from? I'll just dump it all out. What's this? Got it! These soft sponges will be perfect. First, add some glue here. Now attach another sponge. Great! 3 seats should be enough. Now for the sides. Glue a sponge on one side and the other. All set! Now the Labubu has a couch and a coffee table. Nice! Give it a try. Have a seat.
Much better.
Not bad, but they haven't seen what I ordered yet. Whoa! What's happening? Oh! My delivery's here! Got it! Thanks! Finally, my throne is here. Let's set it up and test it. And add a table. Wow, so fancy!
Oh yeah, this is my kind of comfort. No complaints here.
Time for a snack. Oh my gosh, how did you get so messy? Huh, maybe I can use this. Let's see. Yep, this should work. First, grab some cardboard and carefully trim the extra. We should get 3 pieces, like this. Now let's grab some glue and stick them together. Add these little shelves and more glue. Take the sauce containers and place them on the shelves like this. All done! The bathroom cabinet is ready! Let's add a sink and a tub. What's going on over there? Hey, come here! You can't play with someone that messy! What? Don't listen to her, sweetie. Don't worry, we'll bathe you now. How is it?
Oh yeah, the water's perfect.
Ugh, what a smell! Guess you need a bath too. Set it here and prepare the liquid gold. This'll be the fanciest bath ever. Fill it all the way. Like that. Done. Hop in.
Nice! A gold bath is great for my fur.
Absolutely. Phew, it's getting hot in here. Servant! Oh, thank you. Time to quench my thirst. Whoa, looks yummy. Who's calling? Hello? Oh, hey, how are you? Whoa, looks like my chance. Oh yeah, this'll be super helpful. There, done.
No way, these swings are awesome!
Yay! Alright, bye! Huh? Where's my… Wow, so cool! I'm buying these swings! What? Not for sale. Whatever. Didn't want them anyway.
Awesome!
Huh? Come here! Stop playing over there! We're putting up a fence. And it'll be the most glamorous fence ever. Now let's roll out the red carpet. So my little star can walk it. Big smile!
Oh yeah, I'm the best!
Nice fence. Guess I should make one too. First, let's paint these popsicle sticks. I'll use different colors. It'll look way prettier. Like this. Perfect! So cute! Now add glue to the longer sticks. They'll go across. All done! The rainbow fence is ready. Time to set it up. Add one more piece here. And done! Now everyone has their own yard. And don't even think about crossing that fence. Huh?
This is so fun!
Oops. Guess their friendship is stronger than fences. Well then, let them play if they like it.